Today I am going to give you a challenge, and believe me, if you complete this challenge, you can achieve anything. Now listen to me very carefully. If you seriously want to change yourself, then stay with us. Otherwise, you can skip this video. Now let's talk about that challenge. So the challenge is I am going to tell you 5 key habits which if you follow for 1 month from today, your whole life will be changed. And the 5th habit is very important. But before that, let's talk about the first key habit. And the first key habit is write your dreams. I know many of you don't believe in manifestation, but you can see any successful person, they all write down their dreams, their goals daily. And the biggest reason of this is that whenever we write down our goals and dreams, our brain always reminds us that, and that's why we take action on those goals and complete them. So my boy, start writing your goals from today. And if you don't know about goal setting, writing goals, making plans for it, dividing plans, making schedule and a daily routine, then please comment below. I will definitely make a detailed video on it. Now let's talk about the second key habit, and that is learning a new skill. Learning new skill is very important in today's world, and it's very simple process. You can learn any skill in just 20 hours. You can learn anything in just 20 hours, but you need to master that skill, and it will take a lots of hard work, dedication and practice of 10,000 hours. You can master any skill with the practice of 10,000 hours. So what you need to do is you have to select one skill. It can be anything like singing, trading, dancing, coding, photography, anything, whatever you love to do the most, and start learning about it. After the practice of 10,000 hours, you will become the master of that skill. So try to master a new skill for the next 30 days. Now the third key habit is exercise. If you want to become a successful person, a wealthy person, then you have to focus on your health first, because your health is the most important thing for you, and the best way of taking care of your health is exercise. If you exercise daily for just 30 minutes, it will increase the blood flow in your body, which will help you to overcome many diseases, and it will also keep you calm, relaxed and focused. So start doing exercise daily from today, and you will see the results within few days. The fourth key habit is waking up early in the morning. There are many benefits of getting up early in the morning, but the main benefit according to me is we get extra few hours if we wake up early. Imagine a person wakes at 4 o'clock in the morning and start doing his most important work and finish it at 8 o'clock. Now just imagine someone who wakes at 8 o'clock and start his day. Now just think who will become successful. There are many benefits of waking up early, so start from today and become the top 5% of the world. Now let's talk about the 5th and the most important key habit, and that is book reading. This is the only habit that is found in all successful people. So if you want to become successful, if you want to become the top 5% of the world, then you have to read books. And believe me, books are the best friend. You will become addictive of this habit. So start today. Read at least 10 pages daily for the next 30 days and you will see the results. That's all for today. And lastly, I just want to say that be the only one or the best one.